I didn't think I'd be able to do that. Right then, let's grab some stuff, shall we? I need to grab... Right, needs chain. I need to be careful not to get killed here. Right, you can grab all the stuff that I don't need.
Dili, balo na si Martin
There's
lang.
no boots, really.
Bata
That's
naman
not too
kala.
bad, though. I can't believe we just killed that person. I really can't believe we just killed that person. That was OP. I've got some stuff here. I need to regen. We've also got new compasses as well, which work a little bit differently, so they don't work the whole time. But how are you doing? Have you got? You can have this. We've got 1 diamond. Right, let's go. I need to regen a little bit, because if I get jumped, I'm gonna die. I can't believe we killed that person. There's only 5 people left. Right, we've definitely been here. We've been here, haven't we? Did we? Which is the best way?
Kumpiyansa. Gawas na yun. Paspas na yun. Ana, ngita sa pagkaon. Gawas. Gamitin yung speed ni mo.
There's just borders which kind of just
Basta walay tao. Pag speed ka, basta walay tao. Speed. Hawa ako. Liksi ang ano. Agianan. Hapit. Gani. Piyansa kay kag-speed. Kaya control ka di si mong body. Ngita ka mong gawasan.
Gawas niya, B.
There we go.
Gawas.
I said something in chat. It's okay.
Okay, batay.
Should we just chill around here and wait for something to... Wait,
trap na. Tuyok diri si mong 360 up.
Dude, you want these pants? Come here.
Uy, among kamot mo. Relax.
There we go. Nice. Right, so I'm going to hang around here for 25 seconds just so I can get, because there's like a really big concentration of chests here. So I'm going to see if I can grab them before the walls
time body, good.
and pretty much kill us. So we want to get this chest refill. 10 seconds. Leave me alone, border. Do not kill me, okay? Do not kill me. We want to get as much as we can from these chests.
Nakatulong na kung
We don't really need too much. I need boots. Some good boots. Here we go. No, that's not what I need. No, I don't need any of that either. I need some kind of shoes. Give me the shoes. I need the shoes. That's not shoes. I'll take the baked potatoes. You got any shoes, bro? I've already got leather. I didn't even put them on. Right, let's go and find some more chests. Aaron the boss. My good friend Aaron the boss. We should. Let's see if we can make it to deathmatch. That would be pretty insane, especially since this is actually my first game I'm recording as well. It's match.
Right. Basta banggaan din sa dagway, dili mo unsa.
No.
Basta sa dagway lang.
Rubbish. They're really bad. Oh wait, there's a guy there. I saw it. Wait. Aaron, watch out. I just saw a name tag. I swear.
Okay.
I swear. Or was it? It was just you, wasn't it? It was just you.
Gamitin speed. Speed ka kay dako ka sa ilaw. God.
Here we go. Here we go. Oh man. Before we can get
lakaw lang ka dia, suri-suri.
Stronger chests.
Kung nay mo lakag sa imo, speed.
Oh, they've got mega
Speed, good. Number 1 ka.
Come on. Aaron, we can do this with So Dead, bro.
Tay, tuyok eh. Tuyok eh.
Oh, look at my dead body. Oh no, Aaron.
Tuyok eh, tuyok eh.
No, Aaron's dead as well.
Kitay mong putpot.
Look at my face. That
God.
looks hilarious, look.
Kita ang putpot.
Oh, my dead body is just chilling on the floor. No.
Oh, ay pagsikik tanga.
Katulad sa
That is
kong ulo,
such a cool feature though. I love that. We made it to like, were we 4th? Oh, we shouldn't have come to middle.
Hindi ang
This guy's got so much insight. Look how OP you are. You're so OP, it's unreal. Right, we're going to watch the rest, get to deathmatch and see who wins. This should be cool. Look at these bouncing items as well. Right then, who's going to win? We've got Get Scared and who's over here? This is someone else. Let's see who wins. Get Scared has so much armor enchanted right now. Has a whole enchanted armor set and enchanted sword. I'm sorry, buddy, but you're going down. Look, my dead body is just spectating.
Ikaw rin tuyok niya.
It's the winner. Good game, everyone. Good game. And that was pretty good for our first game recording in the session. That wasn't too bad, to be honest. So yeah, that is pretty much the brand new survival games mode.
Okay, dagan nila. Tayo mong ikob.
It's really cool.
Okay.
Good. With the new rules and stuff,
patay
and the
sila.
everything that it's got. So if you want to go and check it out, the IP will be in the description below.
32,000 na si Martin bay, naapsan yung world record bay.
Which wasn't too bad. So if you enjoyed this video and maybe you would like to see some more survival games, then please do a big fat thumbs up. That would be awesome. Also, this happens to be the first video you've seen by me, then please do subscribe and join Team TDN today for daily Minecraft videos. Again, thank you for playing Minecraft with me today, and I will see you all next time. Goodbye.
Yung kasi na wala mga boat sa down. Sa taas naman.
Ikaw ang target nila, Martin. Careful.
Ayun na, yun na pagkaon na. Siya rin pa.
Gamay ang mga
Siya rin
kumakaon.
pagkaon. Ikaw gyud ang target
Guys,
karon.
I'm gonna
Relax lang ka, ay nagkadlock. Ingat to,
Hey
gyapon
everyone,
moves.
Dan here from the Diamond Minecraft and welcome to another
Yun,
Minecraft video where today we're going to be playing
Tato sa
Kauna,
kudin
kauna,
anak din
Now,
ko
I'm
partido
gonna
makakaon.
actually destroy
Kita
Dave
sa kakagianan.
I've been putting this off for so long
Hindi.
because
Yay,
I don't
kusog,
play
speed.
that often.
Ah,
I'm
speed
not
ka.
that
Op,
great at it.
antay.
For your entertainment and my
Awa dia.
enjoyment, we are going
Ay,
to play
kapaka.
it. I'm sure I do
Relax
not
sa
need to
imo.
explain
Ready
what
mo,
goes on in
speed.
survival games, so we're going to hop straight into a game.
Ana, ang tato,
We're
sus.
starting in 10 seconds, and I have chosen the assassin kit. Which,
Dire, libuti sila dito.
Opponents deals plus
Careful.
2
Gay.
damage. It's quite powerful.
Gay, ngitahin mong
Let's see how
putput.
this goes.
Good.
What map are we on? I do not know this map. I
Grabe,
think this is the
Martin.
new one, possibly.
Oh.
Anyway, let's do this. There's a crafting table at center, so we can
Mauna
move
ilan
that
sila
as
dia.
well.
Ilan na
Let's
dia.
go
Sulod.
and
Mauna mo
try
dia.
and get. Oh, got gold sword. Oh, someone nicked it. Little punks. I'm out of here. I am so out of here right now. Someone's died already. Oh my god, I can't believe I missed out on that gold sword. That's so frustrating. Oh man, I had it in my
Relax lang, Martin.
inventory. It was just plucked away from me. I cannot remember this map whatsoever. I don't think I've ever done this.
Absan ko ni
before.
Martin,
Why
Mike.
is there a boat? I missed out on
Ako,
the most
na
important
number 1 ko, pero
part.
20 ako,
It's the
30,
cookie,
ana.
and I took the boat. Why? Why? I think there's a guy behind me, but I think he's okay. I'm not sure. I've got a golden axe though. Are you teaming? Okay, we've got a chicken on our side, a Batman chicken. Everything is going to go right. Right then. No, what's happening? Okay, it's okay. Let's team. Thank you. You can have my boat. Okay, right then. Let's go. Let's go see what we can find. Oh, the lag is real. The lag is real.
Steady.
What's going on? Oh wow, I don't know what happened there. But anyway, let's carry on. We both have weapons and we should be ready to go. Oh god,
Steady
this lag.
lang,
What is
steady
going
lang.
on? Oh, Mindplex. Ooh. Well then, I think the lag is done. Basically, we just got another piece of
Tulang
wheat, which
ulo,
isn't
mata may
that
tanawa.
helpful whatsoever.
Ay, kumpiyansa,
I need
isa
these. Does he need
paggawas
trousers?
diretso.
He doesn't. But anyway.
Yun lang
Oh,
kayo,
God, there's a
pangita
guy
sa
here, there's a guy
gianan,
here,
adapit
a
gawas.
guy.
Isa.
I've already
Here.
started slapping him.
Speed, speed.
Oh, you get the assassin bit here.
No,
Look at
amang
that, look how
katuyok. Oh, sige,
powerful
sige.
that is. Ooh, so
God,
powerful.
gamay kaayo, isa ra ka
I've
buok.
got an iron axe.
Pwede.
Got a chest plate. I don't know if I've got anything that he needs. I don't know if I've got anything whatsoever. I'm sorry, sir. You can have the mushroom stew because I've got some bread and stuff. I think
43,000?
we're good. I don't have anything else. Oh wait, I've got these. You can have those. Right then, chicken. Batman chicken, let's go. Let's do this. I don't know where this lag is.
Butang
coming
din
from.
sa
It's real right now. Let me
Facebook,
just,
ma.
Yeah.
Video settings. Let's just go. Do that. Do that for now. And here we go. I
Oh,
think it's on
ayaw.
the server.
Oh, speed dire, speed. Speed. Tuyok na ka
Come on, let's
360.
go, Batman chicken.
Okay.
Let's see if
Oh!
we can find it.
Oh!